So the problem is your echo.max is suddenly stuck with a spinning, flashing, or just a static blue light. And you're wondering, hey, what's wrong with my device? Let's find out and see how to fix it. So when it does, first we're going to just cool your device. Plug it out, wait around 20 seconds, and then plug it back in once again. If the blue light still keeps spinning like this, it happens when you have a Wi-Fi issue where it searches but keeps getting disconnected or can't connect with the Wi-Fi network. So for that, let's open the Alexa app to test it. If the device is showing unresponsive, that's your cue. Tap on it. If it's showing offline, tap on continue. And as prompted, press and hold the mic mute and plus button for 7 to 8 seconds to take it into setup mode. Hit continue on your app, then yes. Your device's name will show up. Tap on it. It will search for nearby Wi-Fi networks. When the list appears, just tap on your network name to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. And then just go and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup process. Once it's properly connected to the Wi-Fi network, it will no longer be stuck on the blue spinning light. Let us know in the comments if this video could solve your problem. Thanks for your time.